Okay, salut français de. For those of you who need a quick little brush up on the Passe Compose, here we go. Alrighty, so when we have the Passe Compose, we can do the Passe Compose using the verb avoir or using the verb être. Okay, être is what we know as Van der Tramp verbs. Today, though, I'm not going to mess with the Van der Tramps. We're only going to be using those that take the verb avoir. So we can break that category down into two parts. We have those that are considered to be réguliers, and then those who are irréguliers. So I'm just going to give you some examples of each, and then you'll be on your way. Okay, so with je mange, you got to remember that that's an ER verb. So that comes from the verb manger. And then with an ER verb, all we need to do is drop the R and then add accent aigu. So, oh snap, I got to get up my accents. Oops, pardon. There we go. Okay, so when we have a complete answer for that, we're going to end up with j'ai mangé. Voilà, j'ai mangé. All right, tu choisis comes from the infinitive choisir. With IR verbs, all that we need to do is drop the R. So we end up with tu as choisi. Okay, finalement, nous vendons comes from the infinitive vendre, which is an RE verb. So, therefore, for my final answer, you're going to have vous avez vendu. Okay, so we have the E accent aigu, we have an I, and then we have a U. Those are the three regular endings. Okay, getting into the irregulars. So back when we were at school, we did a note sheet that looked like this. So you should have this in Unité 2.1. So you're going to have this, and this will give you the list of all of those irregular past participles. But just to do three of them here for you very quickly. Okay, elle met, that comes from the verb mettre. And when we have that in the passé composé, once again, I'm using the verb avoir. So elle a me. Mettre changes into me. Okay, voyez comes from the verb voir. So when I go to put that in the passé composé, I'll have vous avez. Voir changes into vous. The majority of the past participles that are irregular are going to have a U on it. All right, and then finally, ils ont, they have. That comes from the verb avoir. All right, so when I go to put this one in the passé composé, it looks kind of weird. I am going to go ahead and start out with ils ont again, and then avoir in the past tense changes into eu. Ils ont eu, they had. Okie doke. So, quick little review for you. This should help you immensely on les devoirs. À bientôt.